how to change black theme in Instagram. So if you want to change the black theme on Instagram, it is quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, you can see the Instagram app. If you want a black theme or a dark theme, or if you have a dark theme and you want to switch to the light theme, it's quite simple. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen right there. And once you've done that, this is a type of interface that you will be able to see. Now over here you can see a couple of options, but we have to look for an option right here. So here you can see a couple of options. So let me just go ahead and scroll down and you can see all this. Now if you don't find it here, the best way to basically find something is by using the search bar. In the search bar, just search for something like dark theme, right? And you can see this option called dark mode. So go to dark mode. You can either use system default, which means if your system is in light mode, it will go to light mode. If your system is in dark mode, it will go to dark mode. But if you want to manually turn on dark mode, you can see I have manually turned on dark mode even though my system is actually in light mode. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically change black theme in Instagram. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.